Hello guys, how's everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great start of your day or start of your weekend, whatever it is that you're doing. I hope you're having a great time. For today's video, I wanted to do a January favorites, and it's kind of like all over, a mix between all my favorite hobbies and a mix between all my favorite beauty products. So you have been seeing me more frequently making videos, and this is because for this year's resolution I decided to spend more time enjoying the things that I like and less time on my phone. I had been always complaining about not having enough time after work, but then I really realized that I did have the time. I was just spending it on my phone. So for this year, I have limited myself to spending only 1 hour after work on my phone. After that, I have to enjoy myself, like either reading a book, making a video, watching a show or a movie, just basically doing something else but being on my phone. And well, without further ado, let's get started on this video. So my first item on this list is going to be this perfume that I got as a gift, and this perfume is the Tom Ford, and this is the name. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll leave you guys the picture so you guys can look it up if you guys are interested. And I really like the scent of this perfume because it's very fresh and it's very like clean, but at the same time it's not super overpowering, and I really liked it. My second item on this list is this Aquaphor lip treatment or lip repair. So I recently came across this product that I have been wanting to try. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am prone to having acne, and I did see that this item is recommended for people that do have acne around their face or around their mouth. My second item is this little styling cream that my sister got me for my birthday, by this brand, which is called, I'm not sure how do you pronounce it, but it's right here. She got it for me, and this is super like, it's basically like a styling cream, but it's mainly for like your little hairs, like your little baby hairs that sometimes are a little bit hard to style. And I like it because it doesn't give you like that hard look of like sometimes like gel or hairspray does, and it's pretty cool. I really enjoy it. It's one of my favorite items for this month. And my third item is this little Touchland Power Essence fragrance that I just recently got, and I'm a fan of this brand when it comes to the hand sanitizers. Well, so when I saw that they had a Power Essence body spray for your hair and body, and what I like about this product is that it's so easy to carry with you, like it's not bulky at all. And I'm also a fan of their hand sanitizer, so when I saw that they made like a body spray, I decided to get one and give it a try, and so far it hasn't disappointed. I usually just carry it on my purse, and then whenever I need to like refresh, I just spray it. Whenever I'm not carrying like my perfume, I don't carry my perfume, I usually carry like a body spray. And let's say I'm outside and then I'm going inside, I usually spray this so I can smell good and fresh. And I like how practical it is, and so like small as well. They're all my favorite items for this month. It has to be my Remarkable 2. If you guys saw my previous video, you would see that I recently came across this product, and I was so impressed with it that I decided to get one. And let me tell you guys, it hasn't disappointed at all. When I tell you that I'm currently obsessed with this device, it's an understatement, because I literally been using it every single day since I got it. Like you guys, like I just said to you guys, like I've been wanting to cut time on my phone, and this has really helped me on accomplishing that. So basically, this literally, it's like a paper notebook, but it also works as an e-reader. So reading is something that I also wanted to pick up for this year, and this has helped me stay focused, because before, I'm not like a book girly, like I don't really like the paper books or whatever. So I'm more like a tech girly, so if you're wanting my attention, it has to be something that has technology involved. I'm not into like paper books. I know that some people prefer that, but I'm not. So I had been trying to read on my iPad, and that never worked because I would always get a little pop out, like with a notification or like a distraction like YouTube. So I would start watching YouTube videos, or I would just like not be focused, and this has really helped me stay on task. And recently I started reading this book that I'm really excited for. So far I'm really like on chapter 4, which is a lot for me, trust me, because I'm not a reader. Recently I started reading Project Hail Mary, which is a movie that's coming up in March, and I believe it has Ryan Gosling as the main actor. And so far I'm in chapter 4, and I have been reading a lot of reviews, and everyone is saying that it's like one of the best books that they ever read. And so far I'm really interested in the story. It has like caught my attention, but I don't know if you guys can see, but here you're able to put digital books as well. I did download a couple, but right now I'm just reading Project Hail Mary. But this is one of my favorite items because it has helped me read more, and also I've been doing journaling, and I've been using this tablet almost every single day. Like I can't explain how good this device is, because it doesn't really have a lot of features, but whatever it does it extremely well. That's like the only way I can describe it. So I do love my Remarkable tool. It is one of my favorite items for this month and maybe for the year of 2026. Okay, and my final item for this list is this little Longchamp bag that I got as a gift. I'm not a big fan of big purses, to be quite honest, but since I've been carrying a lot of stuff with me lately, I was in the need of a bigger bag, and this bag came out perfectly. You can either use it as a shoulder bag, or you can also, it comes with a little strap, so you can also use it as a crossbody, which is the way that I use it for most of the time. But like I said, this bag is one of my favorites because it literally fits everything that I need on it. So I've been carrying my computer, my tablet, and my camera, just because I've been making more videos. I've been using my tablet more often to read on the go, and sometimes I do carry my laptop with me for whenever I just have to do something that requires a computer. I have it handy, but literally it's the perfect size. It fits literally everything that you can possibly need, and I love how simple and stylish it is. So look, like literally right now I have my tablet in here, and it fits perfectly. It also fits my microphone, and it fits like other little things. But yeah, those are my favorite items for the month of January. Anyways, that is everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Make sure that you do follow me and leave me a comment. Let me know what are your favorite items for the month of January, and see you guys next time.